Welcome to Project Management for the Real World's video tutorials. In this video, we're going to demonstrate communicating detailed project status to your customers. When Jane Doe logs on to Project Management for the Real World, she can quickly view any and all of her project details. She can view her own contact information, which is viewable by any users that she creates. She can view her customers or project owners. In this case, she has only one, Acme Gadgets. There is no user currently linked to this project owner because Jane has not created any users yet, but you will see this accomplished in this video. Jane can expand all the nodes under each project owner to view each project. There is only one project for Acme Gadgets. You can view all the tasks for a project simply by clicking on their names in the tree in the left pane. Or you can follow task dependency chains to be sure that tasks that have other tasks dependent upon their completion are progressing as they should. You can also view documents that have been uploaded for a project or quickly navigate to a web link associated with a project. You can give your project owner or other stakeholders in the project the same ability to view all project elements, or just some of them. To do this, you should create a user for each person who needs permission to view the project. Let's say Bob Smith is the project owner for the Build Websites project at Acme Gadgets. We'll right-click the Users node to get the context-sensitive menu for users and take the option to add a new user. We'll enter an email address for Bob Smith. Since Bob Smith's email address is not already known to Project Management for the Real World, we will have to assign Bob a password and enter his demographic data. His user ID will be the email address you just entered. If anyone from Acme Gadgets is already a user on this system, you can find the organization name in the alphabetically sorted drop-down list. Since this name does not appear in the list, we'll type it into the box next to the list. We will check all the data for accuracy and be sure to note the user logon name and password for your user. You will not be able to edit this information after the user is created. From that point, only the user may update this information through the View Edit Profile menu option. Now we're ready to assign permissions. All of your customers are listed. Jane Doe only has one customer, Acme Gadgets. You can click on the See Projects link to see the projects for this customer. There is only one project, Build Website. To add permissions for the project, click Edit. You can assign permission levels for every detail of the project. View Project allows the user to view the project screen. Tasks can have view permission, be assigned, or with none selected, will not even have the name in the left tree displayed for this user. We are going to let this user view everything. He can open the document for viewing or saving and can view and open the web link. We'll click Confirm to assign these permissions. On the next page, we can check to be sure that we've assigned everything that is desired. On the last page, clicking Finish will add the user Bob Smith for Jane Doe. The username now appears under the Users node. In the right pane is displayed the user's contact information and the permissions assigned, which you can check at any time and update as needed by right-clicking on the Username node in the left pane. Now that the user Bob Smith has been created, let's link him to the project owner, Acme Gadgets. To do this, we'll just select his name from the list of users and update. Now Bob's contact information will appear when viewing the Acme Gadgets project owner. Some project owners may have a need of project status detail in hard copy format to bring to their stakeholder meetings. Let's examine project reports to see how Jane Doe can accommodate this need. We'll right-click on the Projects node to bring up the context-sensitive menu. We'll choose the option for Project Reports. You will see that there are many options for filtering the project data, useful when your projects are large or you have many projects and you need to focus on some particular data. For now, let's imagine that Jane Doe has multiple customers and needs to do reporting for Acme Gadgets. She'll choose Acme Gadgets from the project owner list. A drill-down report is displayed based on the selection criteria in the previous step. All project owners are listed along with some contact information and all cumulative hours and cost for each project owner. A grand total for all project owners is displayed at the bottom of the report. You can drill down to see all projects for a project owner by clicking See Projects. Acme Gadgets has one project. To see the details, click See Details. All tasks under the project are displayed with cost roll-ups from task to project owner. Jane can quickly review and make sure all updates are current before creating the printer-friendly version for Bob Smith. Choose Printer-Friendly Version. A new report window opens with options for reporting task log detail. Let's include all the logs for complete project detail. All log detail for each task is included in the report, along with cost roll-up similar to the drill-down report. Now we'll try the option for the most current task log. The task that previously had 2 log entries now only has the most recent entry. Jane could print this report for herself if needed using her browser's print option, but Bob Smith needs to be able to print this report. Internet Explorer users can click Yes to this message. Jane will take her browser's Save option. We're using Internet Explorer to save the report. Since there are no images in this report, only one HTML file will be saved. After saving the file, attach it to an email to Bob Smith and send it. Then Bob can print a copy or copies when he is ready. This concludes our video on communicating project detail to your customers. Thanks for watching. See you soon.